Let me show you how easy it is to make this chicken Caesar salad sharing platter. It's so delicious, I promise you'll be making it time and time again. Let's begin by making the Caesar dressing. Take 3 anchovy fillets and roughly chop them on a chopping board. And then finely grate 1 clove of garlic. Place them in a bowl and set them to one side. Next, use a tea towel to secure the mixing bowl in place. This will stop it moving around when you whisk in the oil. Next, into a mixing bowl, place 1 egg yolk, 30 milliliters of lemon juice, and 5 grams of Dijon mustard. Whisk them together until they're fully incorporated. Now, gradually pour in 190 milliliters of neutral flavored oil, so that can be sunflower oil, vegetable oil, or any other neutral oil of your choice. And while it's pouring, continue whisking all the time until all of the oil is incorporated and the mixture becomes thick like a mayonnaise. Next, add in the chopped anchovies and the grated garlic and 15 grams of finely grated Parmesan and whisk everything together. Season with salt and pepper. Now at this stage you can add in a few drops of warm water just to get it to the consistency you like. If you like it nice and thick, then leave it how it is. But if you want it a bit more runny, more like a dressing, just gradually add a few drops of warm water until it reaches the consistency you desire. Now we'll move on to the chicken. Begin by taking 2 chicken breasts with the skin on. You can use skinless of course, but I prefer it with that crispy skin, and then generously season them all over with salt. Next, place a frying pan over a high heat and drizzle in 20 ml of olive oil. Once the oil's hot, lay the chicken breasts skin side down and leave them undisturbed for 2 minutes until the skin is golden and crisp. Turn the chicken breast over and place into the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes depending on the thickness of your chicken, or until it reaches 70 to 72 degrees Celsius in the center. Take your chicken from the oven and place it on a plate to rest. At this point I like to season it with black pepper. Rest the chicken for a minimum of 5 minutes before slicing into it and revealing that beautiful juicy chicken breast. To make the croutons, take 140 grams of ciabatta or any bread of your choice and cut it into 1-inch cubes. Lay them on a baking tray and drizzle over 35 milliliters of olive oil. Season with salt and pepper and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes until they're golden and crisp. For the salad, take 1 head of romaine lettuce. Remove the leaves and roughly chop them. Place the leaves into a colander and give them a rinse under a cold tap to give them a good wash. And then make sure you give them a shake so you can dry them out as much as you possibly can. You will also need to finely slice 10 grams of chives. To assemble the salad, place the lettuce leaves into a mixing bowl along with half of the croutons. Drizzle with half of the Caesar salad dressing, half of the chives, the Parmesan, and then give everything a good mix together. Lay the salad onto a sharing platter and then finish that with more croutons, another sprinkle of chives, more Parmesan cheese, and then of course not forgetting the chicken. Slice the chicken up into nice chunky slices and then rest them over the salad. And then you've got a delicious Caesar salad sharing platter for 2. I hope you give this chicken Caesar salad a go. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.